Today we are going to start third topic in our textbook named as ionic equilibrium. It gives 4 marks compulsory and it has 6 marks with option. First of all, we are studying the contents of ionic equilibrium. This chapter contains many points. The first one is introduction, in which we are studying ionic equilibrium means, its definition, electrolyte means. Then next one, types of electrolyte, in which we are studying strong electrolyte, weak electrolyte and degree of dissociation. Then next point is acid and bases, in which we are studying 3 points. There are 3 theories which explain the acid and bases different ways. First is the Arrhenius theory of acid and bases, Bronsted-Lowry theory, and third one Lewis theory. These 3 theories explain the acid and bases in different ways. Then ionization of acid and bases, in which we are studying dissociation constant of weak acid and weak bases, Oswald dilution law. These 2 points we are studying under this point, ionization of acids and bases. Then autoionization of water. Then pH scale, in which we are studying relationship between pH and pOH, acidity, basicity and neutrality of aqueous solution. Then hydrolysis of salt, in which we are studying these 6 points. First one, types of salts, then concepts of hydrolysis, source of strong acid, strong base, source of strong acid, weak base, source of weak acid, strong base, and source of weak acid and weak base. The source of weak acid and weak base, in which again we have studied these 3 points. Source of weak acid and weak base, for which Ka is greater than Kb. Ka, that means the equilibrium constant of acid, and Kb is the equilibrium constant of base. Then source of weak acid and weak base, for Ka is less than Kb, and source of weak acid and weak base for Ka is equal to Kb. Next point, buffer solution. Types of buffer solution. There are 2 types of buffer solution, acid buffer and basic buffer. Then buffer action, properties of buffer, then application of buffer solution in biochemical system, in agriculture, industry, medicine and analytical chemistry. These applications were studied in this topic. Then next one, solubility product. In this point, we have studied these 3 points: solubility equilibrium, relationship between solubility and solubility product, condition for precipitation, and the last point is common ion effect. Here we are going to start this topic, ionic equilibrium, which gives compulsory 4 marks and with option 6 marks. First of all, introduction. Ionic equilibrium, the definition of ionic equilibrium, the equilibrium between ions and unionized molecules in solution is called ionic equilibrium. That is the equilibrium between ions and unionized molecules, which is already both are present in solution. This is ionic equilibrium. With the help of principle of chemical equilibrium, we determine the equilibrium constant and concentration of ions and unionized species. We have already studied the principle of equilibrium in 11th standard. In particular, examine a following ionic equilibria. The equilibria form in H plus ions and OH minus ions and unionized water molecule. Ionization of weak acids and weak bases. Reaction between ions of salt and ions of water. And last one is the solid salt and its own water. Then this is the there is a formation of ionic equilibria. The next one, types of electrolyte. First of all, we are studying what you mean by electrolytes. Electrolytes, the substance which gives rise ions when dissolved in water are electrolytes. Electrolytes असा सबस्टन्स की जो वॉटरमध्ये कम्प्लिटली डिझॉल्व होतो अँड इट गिव्स राईज टू आयन्स आफ्टर डिझॉल्विंग इन वॉटर. Then next one, non-electrolyte, the substance which do not ionize and exist as a molecule in aqueous solution. Aqueous solution that means in water. असा सबस्टन्स की तो आयोनायझेशन त्याचं होत नाही, आहे तसंच मॉलिक्यूल राहतो तो आफ्टर ॲडिशन इन वॉटर. Then next one, types of electrolytes, strong electrolytes, weak electrolytes. Strong electrolytes, electrolytes ionizing completely or almost completely are strong electrolyte. That means the electrolytes is the substance असणार आहे electrolytes तो काय होणार आहे, completely ionization होणार आहे वॉटरमध्ये ॲड केल्यानंतर. And weak electrolytes, the electrolytes which dissociate to smaller extent in aqueous solution are called weak electrolyte. The example of strong electrolyte is strong acid, strong base and salts, and weak electrolytes is a weak acid and weak bases. These are the example of strong electrolyte and weak electrolyte. The weak electrolyte dissociated only partially in dilute aqueous solution, and equilibrium thus can be established between ions and non-ionized molecules. The ionization reaction represented as double arrow, that is the equilibrium state between the ions and non-ionized molecules. Then the third point, लक्षात आलं, strong electrolyte, weak electrolyte. Then third point is degree of dissociation, which is denoted as alpha. Then degree of dissociation of an electrolyte is defined as the fraction of total number of moles of electrolyte that dissolve into its ions when equilibrium is attained. That means there is a fraction of total number of moles are dissociated in its own ions, that is the alpha, that is degree of dissociation is equal to number of molecules dissociated divided by total number of moles. It is denoted as a symbol alpha. Then percentage of dissociation, that means the degree of dissociation into 100, then it gives percentage of dissociation. Then if C is the molar concentration of an electrolyte, the equilibrium concentration of cation or anion is alpha into C, and its unit is mole per dm cube. Next point is acids and bases. Acids and bases are familiar chemical compounds. We are used in daily life. For example, acetic acid is found in vinegar. जे vinegar आपण यूज करतो स्वयंपाकघरामध्ये. Citric acid in lemons and oranges. Then magnesium hydroxide in antacids. Ammonia in household cleaning products. Tartaric acid in टर्माइन पेस्ट, दॅट इज चिंचेमध्ये आपल्याला टार्टारिक ॲसिड मिळतं. अशा वेगवेगळ्या पद्धतीनुसार आपल्याकडे ॲसिड अँड बेस बघायला मिळतात. देन फर्स्ट अपॉन अरेनियस थेरी ऑफ ॲसिड्स अँड बेसेस. देन अकॉर्डिंग टू दिस थेरी और अरेनियस, acids and bases are defined as follows. First upon acid. Acid is a substance which contains hydrogen and gives rise to H plus ions in aqueous solution. Okay, that is the substance which having hydrogen. ज्या सबस्टन्समध्ये हायड्रोजन आहे आणि आफ्टर डिसोसिएशन किंवा आफ्टर ॲडिशन ऑफ वॉटर it gives H plus ions. For example, HCl gives to H plus and Cl minus ions. So HCl is an acid because it contains H and it donates the H plus ions. Then CH3COOH, it contains H plus ion, hydrogen, and after dissociation it gives H plus ions. This is CH3COO and H plus ions. So these two are called as a acid. The Arrhenians described H plus ions in water as bare ions. They hydrate in aqueous solution and thus represented as hydronium ion H3O plus. We herewith conveniently present them as H plus ions.